Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling what you need. Open Settings, tap Control Center, and add Screen Recording. Once done, make sure Roblox is logged in and at the exact game spawn point you want to capture. You should close background apps to free RAM and disable focus/do not disturb so notifications don't interrupt. Plug in headphones to avoid audio bleed if you'll capture internal sound. Now swipe to open Control Center and get ready to start recording the moment you enter gameplay. You long press the screen record icon and tap the microphone to capture your voice. This records internal and mic audio combined. Once you tap Start Recording, count a quick 3 to give the OS time, then switch back to Roblox and launch or resume the game. Make sure you hold the iPhone in landscape for proper aspect ratio and keep graphics stable by lowering in-game effects if the frame rate drops. If you need commentary, speak clearly and keep short cues to synchronize cuts later. You finish by tapping the red status bar or opening Control Center to stop recording. The clip saves automatically to Photos. Once saved, open Photos, trim the start and end points, and export to your editor or directly upload to YouTube or social. If the recording fails or audio is missing, restart your iPhone, confirm iOS is up to date, and free at least several hundred MB of storage. Also re-enable microphone access in Control Center and test with a short clip before your main session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.